Actually, time is very important to all of life because without time you can't do anything. Because time is not a minute, second. The day, year, and whatever month, everything is calculated in the time. So time is very important in the life. So how to spend your time depend on you because there are three type of people. They are spending the time. Some people are spending the time. Some people wasting the time. Some people investing the time. So whatever your decision, which you want to waste your time, you want to spend your time, you want to invest your time. Depend on you. Because if you have a money, then you can going to invest your money like a LIC, Sahara, anywhere you have to going to invest your knowledge, where it get the more benefits. So you have to go to invest your money. Same you have a time. This is also more valuable from the money. Money can earn the back, but time cannot earn the back because if you time lost. You cannot bring this back again in this time. So how to invest your time as per your opinion? If you want to 2 hour, you want to give your time for the study, 2 hour your time. You have a 24-hour time. All of this, not a 25 hour, not a 23 hour. Only you have a 24-hour time. So you have to depend on you. Ki how can you spend your time? How to invest your time? So you have to decide ki how you make a one schedule as per your daily schedule and which one your priority. You have to give her more time. Which one your not priority, you have to give to less time. So you have to make a one routine in your life. Ki I will sleep 6 hour, 8 hour, whatever you have a physical fitness. You can take your time. Then you have to make a one schedule for the how many hour I do the study. You have a office. Then you have to. This is the not you can manage your time office time because they have a compulsory. You have to 8 hour, 9 or whatever he decided. You have to do. They have no any excuse. They have no any calculation. Ki I have to take this one. But other thing you have in your hand, you can manage your time. You have in your hand okay, how which one important in my life, they you can manage in this time. If you your time invest properly, you can do anything. Otherwise, if you waste your time, you can't do anything because they have a social media. You thinking people are going to watching the reel 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour time you have to spend it, but he didn't think now my time is wasting. But he thinking yeah, I'm watching something, but they are not benefit for her because something wasting video he watching. If you want to spend your time on mobile, also you have to make a schedule. Ki, I will watch this video. This is benefit for me. This is benefit for my life. That is the good for you, as per my opinion. You can say.
Okay, nowadays children are most of the children are engaging in TV, video games, mobiles also. So how can we
Yes.
cultivate this type of thing? Like time is very precious because sometimes it is very difficult to understand the child. Is there any
Yeah.
way if you want suggest me?
Yeah. If you try, if you we want to spend our time on the TV, mobile, anything, better to have to keep your mobile away and you try to read some book, some newspaper, and you have to teach him. If this is not good, the mobile is not good. He know very well the mobile. If you he hand mobile in the child, they are not decide which one a good video, which one a bad video. Which one he interested, he watching this one. So better to bring some book like a story book, some knowledgeable book, and you try to read front of him. Then you see, mama, yeah, father watching, not watching mobile. He want to read the book. So I think this is the good for me also. Then you have to make a habit for this one. And sometimes you have to take not a I totally mobile. No, not give the mobile, but also you try to make some good thing like he want to watch the cartoon. But you have to tell him which one a knowledge cartoon. He have some knowledge about your spirituality, about your education. You have to give him. You okay? This is the good for you. Watch this one, and if you make an interest, 1 day, 2 days, he not interested. After he interested, he can watch very well, and he can learn something in this.
Okay, what's your opinion about this matter? How should we
Actually,
cultivate this?
actually, as you told, like children have the habit of watching movie, TV, and they are busy in game, video game. So if we have to make a habit of, as Sanjeev ji told, if we read books, so they will also watch us, and they will also imitate us, and after sometimes they also have the habit of reading book. We just not directly told them just stop doing this, because they will not listen, because they are the children of this generation, and they are very well know about all the social media platform. So better we just leave the habit of like watching the movie and all. And if we indulge in a good activity and uh, do the same activity in front of them, so definitely, and they will learn, and with ourselves only.
I'm thinking that we should tell some real life stories to our children, how they get
Yes.
success in their life, how they know that the time is very precious for us. Like there are so many good movies. I think we should watch mama, daughter. You can say sometimes parents also can watch these type of movies.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I think children can understand because this time you can't scold their children.
Yes.
Every time you should behave very polite.
Yeah,
But sometimes I think scolding is also important, because every time we can't, behave in a very nice way. Sometimes, if required, we should scold our children. Not every time, but sometimes.
What's your opinion
yeah,
about
because
scolding?
actually, yeah, because some children have a good discipline in the childhood. Some children have a too much means you can say they have a too much problem creating. They are too much active. They are too much doing something wrong activities. So that time you have to some give a discipline. They have some punishment. He know very well if I will do this one, I get the punishment. So this one also need for the children during 5 to 10 years. 0 to 5, he don't know anything. What is the wrong? What is the right? What you tell, they are doing. That is the activity. But after 5 to 10 years, should be some discipline in the life. If you
Yes,
going to do something wrong, you have to punish him. If you do like that, I will punish him. Not beat him. You do give the some punishment because they are not
yes,
a option to beat. They are okay. If you do anything wrong, Mama came and
You are
little
talking
bit, a bit.
kindly. Just a minute. I'm interrupting you. Like you are saying that if the children is 14 or 15 years old, you can get punishment. Now I want to know that which type of punishment we should give because there are so many type of punishment, but these type punishment are very different. So suggest me which type of punishment we can give because in my opinion, I will give. I will so first of all I will give a book, story book and give her 2 or 3 hours. And I will say, complete that whole book. And after that, you will tell the story. I think this is my opinion. I will give
This
this
is
type
the
of
good.
punishment.
Yeah, this is the good. I think this is not good. Very good. This one. This is the punishment is very good because he already punishment you are also from the book also. That is both are going to do. And also you have a punishment like you say something, give the task to some. If you do the mistake, I will give the some task. You have to fulfill. If you not fulfill this task, again I will give this one. And if you
yes,
and the other I have also option. You have to say something about the spirituality book. Some if you did the any mistake, you have to pray 1 hour, yeah, 30 minutes. You have to any okay, I have to take the any Radha Sri Krishna. If anyone take the name 30 minutes, then he
Mm.
know very well. I do the mistake, then I get the punishment. So he try to improve our mistake.
And you know,
As
these kind of punishment can be very useful for the children. They can learn also new things also.
yeah,
but we can't give every time book to children, in a book in their in our children hand.
New other ways also. Like we
Yes,
can give
suppose if
also.
what I will do, I just as go give for some exercise to do for 1 hour,
yeah.
two
This is
hours.
the good also.
Yes,
Yeah, this is
this is
also good.
also a good type of punishment.
Yeah,
Yeah, this
some clean the
kind of punishment
wash
is very
some.
useful.
Yeah, some clean the house, some do the same. This one, if you have some spare work in your home, also you give the punishment for him. You do this work after if you did a mistake, you do this work and finish this work. That is also good for I think.
You can give a responsibility of whole means one whole day. like cleaning whole house and putting things on a proper place. These types of activity you can also give your children.
Yes, after that they
Yeah,
will learn how mama and father are working in the home, how they are
Yes,
earning. After that they can
yeah,
learn.
yes.
yeah. They learn discipline also.
Yes, and
That is
sometimes we
good.
also can send our children go outside for purchasing small things like milk, sometimes small vegetables. In this way, we can also you will have to continue this for 1 month or 1 week. This type of activity we can also take from them.
Yes, after that they will learn calculation also.
Yes,
Yes, it's a very good punishment.
yes, because
Yeah,
in this way they will learn practical maths in their life.
Hmm. Because all time written bookish knowledge is not compulsory. Sometimes they have to some social knowledge also. How should
Yes,
we deal?
yeah.
I think it's a very good discussion.
And as you told, like what value of time. So
Hmm?
not for children, even parents and other family members should also know what is the importance of value of time in our life, because nowadays every person is busy with their mobile and spends lot of time only to scroll the mobile without any purpose.
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Yes.
This
Yes,
one is implement for everyone. Time is implement for everyone because this is the time is important for
yes, not
everyone.
for
They are
children only. Yes,
yeah, time for
yes.
everyone. If you did the
Because
mistake,
they
anyone in
already
the family member,
already was. Mama is all time scrolling the mobile, so they will not listen.
yeah,
If
of
I do
course.
the whole time scrolling the mobile, so definitely they will also learn the same thing.
Yes, I'm agree with you.
Yeah,
First, we should control our bad habits.
yeah,
Yes.
because
I
First,
think
I
it's a
will
very
improve
good
ourselves, so
conversation.
definitely they will improve means they will improve themselves also.
Yes, yes, yes. We should wrap up this session.
yeah, because
Are you
yeah.
agree?
Okay, thank you.
Now I'm off
Yeah.
the. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.